Namaste friends. So today we will talk about an interesting subject which is very less explored and less understood is the philosophy and science of Mudra Yoga. So Mudra, it is very fascinating for me that most of us adopt certain form of Mudra. When I'm doing Namaskara, I'm adopting Namaskara Mudra. When I say this word Mudra, it has two meanings. One is a seal and second meaning is gesture. So olden times we used to call a golden currency as a mudra. Government of India Mudra Yojana, you can see it's a mudra, economical things. And another word meaning of mudra is the gesture or a spiritual gesture. This is a mudra is a Sanskrit name which has two meaning. One is muda and second one is dra. Mudita means muda is a happiness. Dra means to give. Mudra is the one by doing you will get happy, or the one which will give you happiness can be called as mudra. So it is a psycho-neural connectivity or bioelectrical energy enhancing factor where most of us uses for our day-to-day expressions. After the facial expression of communication, hand is a second most common part of the body which is used for the communications, therapies and various other activities. When you see scientifically, there are maximum number of receptors in your hands compared to any part of your body. We call it as medically homunculus. Motor and sensory homunculus, where how the body is seen by the brain based on the number of receptors. When you Google it out, when you find out, you see a big thumb and little smaller fingers and small part of the body and little smaller tongue and lips. So biggest number of receptors is thumb. Second highest number of receptors is your lips and tongue. So this connects my spiritual understanding to a science where number of receptors are maximum in your hand compared to any part of the body, and it is a more spiritual gesture. So in this Mudra Yoga training, we explore the science of connecting the spiritual essence of Mudra with the science of medical science. So welcome on board for Mudra Yoga training.